everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare an easy chicken fried rice with the addition of delicious juicy pineapples. This fried rice has flavorful chicken, tangy juicy pineapples and crunchy vegetables with burst of flavors in every spoon. First, to cook rice, I've taken 1 cup jeera rice. Personally, I prefer jeera rice for cooking any Asian style fried rice. It closely matches jasmine rice in fragrance and flavors. Wash the rice well and soak in water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the rice is well soaked. Drain all the water. In a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon oil and drained rice. Fry in medium flame for a good 3 to 5 minutes and take care not to break the grains of rice. This step gives the texture and flavor of fried rice. All grains of rice is coated with oil and well fried. Now add 2 cups of hot boiling water and 1 teaspoon salt. Close and pressure cook for 1 whistle in medium flame. Open after all pressure is released. The rice is perfectly cooked. Gently fluff the rice with fork. If you wish, you can transfer the cooked rice to a box, refrigerate and use it the next day, or you can also use the rice immediately. Next, to marinate chicken, I've taken 1 cup cubed chicken breast pieces. Add half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons soya sauce, 2 tablespoon cornstarch and half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix and let it marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. Next, to cook egg, add 1 tablespoon oil in a hot pan. Break open 2 eggs and add required salt and pepper. And scramble the eggs in low flame. Transfer to a plate. Next, to cook marinated chicken, add 2 tablespoon oil in the same pan. Add the marinated chicken. And toss in high flame for 3 to 5 minutes. You can also deep fry the chicken if you wish. The chicken is now well roasted and well cooked. Transfer to a plate. Now to prepare the fried rice, take the cooked rice, cooked chicken and egg, 1/4 cup each of any colorful vegetables, carrot, peas, red capsicum and sweet corn, 1 cup cubed pineapples, half cup white spring onions, 4 large garlic finely chopped, half cup green spring onions, 1 tablespoon sesame oil and 1 tablespoon any vegetable cooking oil. For the sauces, take 2 teaspoons soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar and 1 tablespoon chili sauce. You can double this quantity if you prefer more sauce in your fried rice. In a hot pan, add oil, add spring onions and garlic and quickly fry for a minute. Next, add vegetables and half teaspoon salt. Toss for 2 to 3 minutes in high flame. Now add the sauce mixture and toss for a minute. Add the cooked rice, cooked chicken and egg. Give a good even mix. Everything is now combined well. Now add pineapples and spring onions. Mix evenly At this stage, check for salt and spiciness and add more salt, sauce or pepper powder if you wish. Cover and cook and simmer for 5 minutes for the flavors to combine well. The flavorful and fluffy chicken fried rice with pineapples is now ready. This is an easy to make filling lunch or dinner. This also makes a great party food. This chicken fried rice has burst of flavors in every spoon. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.